In Python, how do I split a string and keep the separators? Here's the simplest way to explain this. Here's what I'm using. Here's what I want. The reason is that I want to split a string into tokens, manipulate it, then put it back together again.
The docs of re.split mention split string by the occurrences of pattern. If capturing parentheses are used in pattern, then the text of all groups in the pattern are also returned as part of the resulting list. So you just need to wrap your separator with a capturing group.
Another no regex solution that works well on Python 3.
If you are splitting on new line, use split lines, true. Not a general solution, but adding this here in case someone comes here not realizing this method existed.
If you have only one separator, you can employ list comprehensions. Appending/prepending separator. Separator as its own element.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.